This 2025 CrossRoads Redwood 415 Road is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 44 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, TV antenna, self-contained, LP detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, Skylight, carbon monoxide detector, awning, smoke detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, front dinette, kitchen island, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Redwood 415 Road is 16,406 pounds. This 2025 CrossRoads Redwood 415 RD. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.